And to the late news today on vaccines here in the U.S., President Biden announcing an additional 200 million doses of Pfizer and Moderna vaccines, suggesting there could be enough to vaccinate nearly all Americans by the end of July now. And Dr. Anthony Fauci tonight on when all Americans, not just those in high-risk groups, could soon be eligible for the vaccine. And tonight, with the urgent effort to vaccinate Americans, more than 34 million Americans getting at least one dose now. That's about 10% of the population, of course. And still tonight, supply remains the key issue here. Vaccinations for one at Dodger Stadium, we've learned, will be halted tomorrow because they are simply out of vaccine. ABC's Kaylee Hartung tonight.
Tonight, the president with some promising news about delivering enough vaccine for 300 million Americans by July. Biden saying the government has secured 200 million more doses from Pfizer and Moderna for a total of 600 million.
We're also able to move up the delivery dates with an additional 200 million vaccines to the end of July, faster than we expected.
The president also highlighting another 100 million doses promised by June will now be delivered by May.
That's a month faster. That means lives will be saved. That means we're now on track to have enough supply for 300 million Americans by the end of July.
Today in Chicago, the first wave of students back to the classroom as the CDC gets ready to release new guidelines for schools. Dr. Anthony Fauci saying children as young as first grade could be authorized by September to receive the vaccine, with the vaccine open to all Americans, not just high-risk groups, as early as April.
I would imagine by the time we get to April, that will be what I would call, for better wording, open season, namely virtually everybody and anybody in any category could start to get vaccinated.
About 1.5 million vaccine shots are administered every day, but the White House acknowledges there is a vaccine crunch.
It's important that we not lose sight of the fact and that we level with the public that for the next at least short period of time, we're going to be in a shortage.
Vaccine shortages now forcing Los Angeles to shut down 5 vaccination sites for a few days starting tomorrow, including one of the country's biggest at Dodger Stadium.
We don't have enough vaccines. Our vaccine supply is uneven, it's unpredictable, and too often inequitable.
In Maryland, hundreds braving freezing temperatures waiting for a vaccine. And in Massachusetts, long lines after word spread that there were extra doses available.
This is ridiculous. 30-degree weather. There were people in wheelchairs, walkers. This is ridiculous.
And David, Dr. Fauci is now saying by April, any adult in this country who wants a vaccine will be eligible to get one regardless of their age or health condition. He thinks places like pharmacies, community centers, and mobile health units will be able to help speed up vaccinations. David?
Yeah, that was something. All Americans eligible in April. The question now, of course, is the supply, as you've been reporting here tonight. Kaylee, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.